Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you I'm cooking full pot of vegetable soup. So guys can see the sauce on the fire. Inside the sauce I have a stockfish, dry fish, pomo, that is a cow skin. So pepper, palm oil, season, and crayfish. I still have more crayfish here that I will add. I still have more here. So the vegetable is very big, full pot of vegetable. That is what I'm cooking. So if I prepare this one like this, some add ugu immediately, but I will not add ugu immediately because the soup will not finish the same time. So I will just put only water leaf, then allow it to cook, then I'll portion it and put for fridge. So anytime I want to use it, I'll now add my ugu inside. I'll now add ugu inside. This is my ugu. You can see how it's fresh. So if you put it immediately, the tea will dry and it will die. It will not look fresh again. So better after the water leaf, you just keep it one side. Anytime you want to serve it or you want to use it, you want to eat it, you now add your ugu inside. You can see the ugu very fresh. So this is water leaf that I'm going to put inside the sauce and cook. Then after that, I'll keep it inside. After cook, I'll put it in the fridge. Anytime I want to eat, I'll fish, then I'll add ugu inside. So guys can see, it's a very big and plenty soup. So if you are eating it, you can add protein you want of your choice. You can use chicken, you can use goat meat, you can use turkey, you can use beef, any type of protein you want, you can use it and eat. So I'm going to add the vegetable now. That is water leaf. After putting water leaf, I'll allow it like 5 minutes. Then I'll off the light and keep it. After cook, I'll put it in the fridge. If I like, I portion it inside rubber small. If I like, I leave it inside. But anytime I want to eat, I'll just fish inside. Add my ugu leaf, that is all, and my protein, the protein that I'll use, and food starts. So let me add the water leaf in. So guys can see, I'm adding water leaf. Still have more water leaf here. Continue to add. So guys can see. So I'll add the last crayfish now. Let's say vegetable needs plenty crayfish inside. So I'll allow it like 5 minutes to boil. After boiling now, I'll off the light and keep it one side. Wow, very sweet. So if you do like this, can make your Canadian semo pepper, any type of swallow you want. You now use it and eat. So I'll leave it like 5 minutes. Then I'll off the light. Keep it in one side. The vegetable soup is set. So anytime I want to eat, I'll now add ugu. Wow. I'll now off the light. So guys can see, it's set. So that is all for full pot of vegetable soup. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and share and comment. We meet again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.